Winterhalter Dishwasher system. It comprises of the inlet, it's called the inlet stick with the dump hole. There's a weight hole there, and you have a bin underneath here. Basically, the staff come in from the clearing area, they're scraping their dirty stuff off the plate, go straight to here, into the bin. The plates then get loaded onto the basket, so the baskets, the plates go in like this. They come along here, they get pre-washed in what we call the pre-wash facility. So you take off all the main residue off so it doesn't block the machine. This is the hood of the machine. You pull the basket through the machine, put it inside the machine, you close out